Well, just last week, that guy Cody Shock had a little bit of a run-in with Deegan, or I should say Deegan had a little bit of a run-in with him, and it sparked a lot of hate. If you look in any comment section, I'm assuming you're gonna see anti-Deegan everywhere. And I have to say, yes, it's a last corner pass. It wasn't really that bad, I don't believe. It also sucks that Cody went in with an already broken collarbone, and what looked like or sounded like he's at least going to miss a couple weeks. Well, no. Coming into Indianapolis or at Indianapolis today, as I'm recording this Saturday, there he is riding. Apparently, as far as I've read somewhere, he got some plates put in and he's back. I mean, that's one ballsy dude. I mean, all these guys are, no matter what. None of them are ever riding fully healed, perfectly feeling fine. Everyone's always got something that's lingering or, just never fully healed from off season or whatever. But to have what, a week, 6 days probably, maybe less by the time he got it done, put the plates in to racing today, who knows? And here my question to you guys is, since it is obviously injury very soon after, where do you think he finishes? Is it, a top 10 ride? Is it going to be pure adrenaline? He finishes super well off? Do you think someone punts Deegan? Maybe Cody punts Deegan? Whatever it is, comment down below. And it's cool to see. Obviously, we're at Indy, so it's an indoor track. You don't have to worry about water. You don't have to worry about anything. It's controlled environment. Apparently, from everything I've seen or read, it's pretty ruddy though. And there's something about that of moist dirt and not being able to run as much lime or the lime that they used to after the whole thing a few years ago. I'll leave a little card up in the top right corner about that from a past video. But you guys tell me, I don't know. Are you excited for Indy? Who do you think wins? Are you happy for the season overall? Are you bored that Jet's already dominating everything? Whatever it is. Do you hate Deegan? Like most people. Comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.